Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever time y'all are tuning in, I certainly appreciate y'all are here. This here, guys, I just got in the mail today. I ordered it from Opinel. Here. First one here is an Opinel fork and spoon. It work with your Opinel number 8. How about that? Ain't that cool? And here's my Opinel number 8. Okay, all you do, stick that down in there like so. The long end goes toward the back. Make sure it's all the way down in there. And turn that up, and it's locked in place, see? Now you got a full-size fork to eat with. Ain't that cool? And you just simply take it out. Ain't that cool? That is so awesome. I first saw this, I said, man, I got to have this. See, it also comes with a little bag here that you can put in here to fold up like this. Here. See? Just throw that in your backpack now. Ain't that cool? Pretty self-explanatory. Awesome. Another thing I got, guys, I had to have it, is a number 8 outdoor sports knife. How about that? Bought it from the Opinel website. I'll leave links in the description of the video. Comes with a lanyard. See there? I like that. A whistle. Pretty loud. Then a lock blade knife with a serrated edge. Ain't that cool as heck, man? That prevents it from opening up all the way. And you turn that and you simply lock the blade. Ain't that cool? And yes, guys, these right here should work with this number 8 here. And it don't. So these do not work with the number 8 Sport. They do not, which is fine. They just work with the regular number 8 Classic. But I like this Sport, I really do. Very nice knife. Very light. The wood one is really lighter than this one. It really is. Very nice. Okay, guys, it says right here the number 8 outdoor pocket knife is ideal for mountaineering, trekking, canyoning, paddling, paragliding, sailing, and nautical activities. Blade is 8.5 centimeters long, 2.5 centimeters thick in stainless steel, robust and sharp, with 3.5 centimeters tooth area for cutting ropes, which is this right here. That's what she used for cutting rope right there. It also cuts small twigs and twine and vines too. Like when I go camping, I always make sure I have a serrated edge knife with me. It has a shackle opener too, like that, like a little wrench right here. That's what that opening's for right there. That's pretty cool. It has a dual material handle, withstands extreme temperatures and shocks, plus grip. Pillless whistle functions in all weathers. 110 decibels. Wow. And it has a Virobloc dual safety ring. So it dual lock means it locks this away, and then it also locks it's down here. So very nice. Very good knife. It's a little heavier than the wood handle one. which this one's just hard to beat, guys, I'm telling you. Plus you can pair it with that too, but I really like this as well. It's a great looking knife, I know that. The blade is thicker too, see that? I wouldn't go batoning with it or anything, but it's a stronger blade. It's made to do a whole lot more than this one is. That's why they call it a sport, right? A lot of backpackers like to use these knives because they're so light, guys. They're so light. I mean, this one here weighs almost nothing. I mean, it's so light. And this one here is really light as well. I love it. I really do. Opinel was started in 1890, and it has not been changed much at all. I think the only thing that they added in the 90s, I think it was 93, the Virobloc, which is it locks the blades. But other than that, guys, it ain't changed. And I really like the shape of the Opinels because it's ergonomic, like in your hand. Feels really good. And I learned something the other day, guys. Like, see, sometimes the blade is hard to get out here. But all you got to do is what they call the Opinel knock. And you do that, and the blade will come up. How about that? Ain't that cool? I learned that on Smoky Mountain Knife Works. That is the Opinel knock to get the blade up to help you get it out. Ain't that cool? I love these knives. The more I learn about them, the more I love them. Great knife, great knife. Love it. And guys, I really like how this folds up too. I really do. Then you simply do that right there. Ain't that cool? Throw it in your backpack. Three good things about Opinel. Well made. They're simply made that just makes sense. You don't need all these fancy gadgets for a knife. And thirdly, they don't break the budget. You can buy the Opinel 8 for 19 bucks all day long on the Opinel website. And the spoon and fork you can buy for 18 bucks. That's 37 bucks combination right there. Can't beat it. Can't beat Opinel. Well, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Thank y'all so much again for tuning in. But I love this Opinel brand. Ever since I bought the ones from last year, I have fallen in love with them. And the more I learn about them, the more I love them. I didn't know they had a fork and spoon that hook up to the number 8 Opinel till last week. That's why I had to get it. Then I seen that sport. I'm like, oh my God, I got to get that. Just saying, guys, I love the Opinel brand. But anyway, guys, I just want to thank y'all again for tuning in. Thank you for all my subscribers. Thank y'all for all the support. And I just want to say God bless y'all. And until we meet again, y'all be like a good knife. Stay sharp.